Hi friends, today this video how to make beetroot salad. Very simple and easy ingredients to make this salad. Now take one kadai, pour the oil, wait for heat. Now add the sesame seeds, white sesame seeds. Next anise or 1 tablespoon. Now lightly saute it for 1 minute. After that, you can add the green chilies, chopped green chilies. Can take 3 to 4 numbers of green chilies. Now add the onion, sliced onion, medium sized of 1 onion. Saute it up to 3 to 4 minutes. This beetroot salad is very good, tasty and very good flavors for any dishes. Now add the curry leaves. Add the mint leaves. Now add one more, saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. It's enough. So beetroot salad is very must for beetroot. Don't chop or don't cutting anyways. We need grated beetroots. Okay. Now we add the ginger garlic paste, or you can grind it for ginger garlic to paste. Now already added for ready-made ginger garlic paste. So now grated beetroot, you can add it. Beetroot can take 250 grams. It's enough for salad. Okay. Suppose you have more members in your family or any functions, so you can take more beetroots. Now add the salt as per required. You can add the salt. Now again, for beetroot need to cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, don't add any much of water. No need to any water. So now can add the groundnut. So remove these skins. So roasted groundnut should be added. Okay. You have raw groundnut means you can roast it, then you can add it. So now after added the roasted groundnut, now can add the lemon juice or vinegar. Maximum 1 tablespoon, it's enough. So just mix it. Just mix it well. Finally, need some grated coconut. So 2 to 3 tablespoon grated coconut, can add it. You just mix it well. This video come to the end. So finally you can add the chopped coriander leaves. Just mix it well. Now beetroot salad it's ready. It's very tasty, also very good flavor. You just note it, at least 8 to 10 minutes you want to cook the beetroot. Okay, now beetroot salad is ready. Thanks for watching full video. Anyone not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe my channel and give your support. Thank you.